Your Starbond glue will include a step-by-step instruction guide that now includes something called a QR code. And the way this works, you can simply open up that sheet, open the camera on your mobile device, then hold that code in front of the lens of your camera. And most new phones will open that automatically. In this case, I'm going to show options. Now I'm going to open in a browser. In this case, I'm going to open on YouTube. And now I'm going to see all of the information that I need on that glue, tips and tricks, and things that will help you get the best value for your glue. If your phone doesn't open that automatically, simply download the application for your device.